Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we are discussing about some innovative technologies. Those are making our day-to-day life too easy. Every one of the us using these type of technologies every day, whether directly or indirectly. Technologies are the power of the today's life. We are thus creating the another world that can create the another life for the everyone. As we know that we have the 60% of the population have reached to the internet, and that's a great move for the every one of the us. And if the internet penetration is the code, then this is the way of the innovative technologies to deliver, because internet is the biggest source like a photo for the everyone. And once we said that the data is as important as that the every country's strength, because today the lot of the things have changed. Today the war just not on the borders, not just by the weapons, it's by the data also. The lot of the examples we are facing today, it's a data wars and the cyber attacks on the countries. That's another situation, and another deal we are facing today. And coronavirus has changed a lot of the situations today, and just show the face of the nations and the facilities what are we are providing to our human being on the basis of what's our services. And the nature has caused another effect on us, and sell that you are not a you are the person is not everything who is controlling that. Nature has proved that thing. Today we are using a lot of the technologies, and that are the innovative technologies. And once the Sundar Pichai also said, technology is the power who can change the world by at the any sense. Let me give an example of the simple edtech industries. As I seen that in my college days or the school days, I just go to use to the coachings for my classes, and that requires a lot of time and the money also. And it's not a problem of the system, because it requires a lot of money. The teacher expenses, the facilities, and the infrastructure developed by the coaching institutes, that's also a problem. But today, boom, edtech has changed the all the worlds. They are just providing the services at the 10% of the cost of that coaching or the that tutor cost. That's a great for us, because we can watch the classes, we can take the education anywhere, whether you are in the home, whether you are whether you are on the trip, anywhere you can access the edtech industries. So edtech platforms, that's a very good for us, that's good for the nations, and that creates the that get the rid of the lot of the barriers we are just facing prior to these technologies. That is the power of the technologies, guys. Today we are so taking the lot of the things is like Bitcoin, blockchain, machine learning, artificial intelligence. It's a new phase of the technologies today, because a person who can't do any work in the mines or the repositories, or can't control the every transactions, but technology can, but the artificial intelligence can, machine learning can. So that's a power of the today's nation. We are just going throughout that. We are on the intermediate stage on the for the artificial intelligence. That's the only beginning of the artificial intelligence. That is not that is human is teaching to the artificial machines to how to work. And in the second stage, the machines work like the humans, like they are work like the equal to humans. And after that, on the third stage, it's an advanced stage. Machines are more advanced than the humans. So we are on the first stage now. We are just teaching the machines how to do the work. After that, machines are working as per our guidelines. So that's a today we are facing, that's a today we are generating them. But as we know that, as well as the technologies are developed day by day, that's a great for the everyone nations who is making the sense by this. And that's a great push up in our growth of the today's industry. Our growth is more facilitated by the growth of these technologies, and also depends on the type of these technologies. As we are competent in the technology as a country, then we are the more powerful than the others. So that's a great nation for the everyone. So this is all for the today's video, guys. Let's meet at another video for the another session.